Alright, there's another video for 3VT about exercise 36. This is about chapter 4, statistics and percentages. You can see you have a lot of text that you have to use. Now with questions like these, I always like to read the question first. Like here, the exercise, what you actually have to do. Because then I can just scan this for information that we need. It says how many tons of sediment does the Mississippi deposit each year? Okay, so we have to, well probably we have to calculate this, how much tons of sediment the Mississippi deposits each year. So let's see if we can find some information about that. Because here, if I just read it like this, I see the Mississippi deposits a relatively large amount of sediment. It deposits approximately 107 tons of sediment per square kilometer of catchment. Catchment is something, I don't know what it is, but apparently it's something that rivers have each year. Okay, so per square kilometer of catchment area, it deposits that. So we need to know what the total catchment area is. So let's see if we can find that somewhere here. Well, it says here the Mississippi is a 3,800 kilometer long river. The catchment area is this. So we need to use that. So we have to do this times that. Right? So I'm going to do 3.2 million. So just 3.2 times 107. And then that will be 342.4. So our answer here is 342.4. But then I need to remember the million that it says over here, right? It says million, so million. But also the 107 had tons behind it, so it's so many million tons. That's the number of the amount of sediment that it deposits each year. Okay. Question B. How much sediment does the Amazon deposit each year and the Congo? Okay, I mean I thought Congo was a country, but apparently it's also a river. So here we have, it says here, this is how much the Mississippi deposit, which is 1.5 times as much as the Amazon. And also no less than 13 times as much as the Congo. Alright, so the Amazon deposits 1.5 times as, or the Mississippi deposits 1.5 times as much as the Amazon. So we need to take the 107 and we need to divide that by 1.5, and then we know the amount of sediment that the Amazon deposits. So that's 71.33. And then we also need to know what the catchment area is for the Amazon. It says here, the Amazon and the Congo are the top ranking with 7.1 and 3.7 million kilometers respectively. So we need to do for the Amazon, we have to do this number. This number here, we have to multiply that with 7.1, and then you have the answer in millions of tons. So million tons. And for this Amazon, and for the Congo, it says here that the Congo or the Mississippi does 13 times as much as the Congo. So apparently the Congo is a river with not a whole lot of sediment. And also this is the catchment area for the Congo. So what we need to do is first we take the 107 and we divide that by 13, because then you know what the amount of sediment is per square kilometer. So that's 8.23, and then you need to do 8.23. You have to multiply that with the catchment area for Congo. Now if you type that in, you know the answer, also in millions of tons, so million tons. And that's about it. So this was exercise 36. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.